Okay, so it's your boy Rich B here with Good Enough Spanish. Hope you've been practicing like you're supposed to. So today, I just want to go over the topic of vowels. Vowels. Since they're very important in any language, and especially in the Spanish language, because vowels in Spanish, the Spanish language is very vowel heavy. So if you can hit those vowels right, it's like that race car hitting those corners right. They hit those corners right, they're pretty much good. They can keep going straight at full speed. If they can scoop those corners, they're good. And that's how I consider it. So just not assuming, just in case you don't know really what vowels are. Vowels are, like in English, we have A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of the letters are consonants. They revolve around those vowels. And just like I said, every language relies on vowels, but in the Spanish language, it's very vowel heavy, more so. Okay, so if you can master those vowels, if you can get those vowels down, then it's pretty much smooth sailing. I heard something kind of make a sound, maybe it was a cricket or whatever, but I was like, hey, I thought it was a bee or something. But anyway, back to the subject. So the vowels in Spanish are A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. And you have to articulate them like that. They'll correct you on them. They'll call you out on them. They're real serious about you hitting those vowel sounds right, okay? So I've been corrected by the locals a lot of times, and I've been braised by the fire of the locals, and that's how my Spanish has improved in real time, real life practice, okay? So I know how important it is. So I want you to repeat them. Just like I said, in English, we say A, E, I, O, U. In Spanish, it's A, E, O, U, okay? So now you say it. I want you to repeat each Spanish vowel sound after me. Let's do it, okay? First one, A. A. E. O. U. Okay, great job, great job. This is very important, again, how you hit those vowels, how you come up around those curves. I also think of them like door hinges. The door hinges, those hinges ain't right on those doors, they just don't swing right. That's the same as those vowels. The vowels are like door hinges. If you don't hit them right, that door of the language just ain't gonna swing open right for you. So it's important to hit them right. So let's do it again. A. E. O. U. And if you notice, there's a lot of similarities in the sounds between English and Spanish. It's not necessarily, I mean, some of the sounds we may not really be accustomed to, but a lot of the sounds we already know. Like, they're already in our language, they're just remixed. For instance, for example, their I sounds like our E. You see? Their I sounds like our E, like a hard E. Okay? And their E sounds like kind of like our A, because they say their E like A. Okay, so that kind of sounds like our A. So you see, it's like Spanish is just kind of remixed. If you think about it like that, it's like you just got to get accustomed to thinking differently. You know, thinking in a remixed way, in a reversed way. A lot of things they say backwards from the way we say it, in different orders. And so those are things like that kind of trip up native English speakers, because oftentimes we're trying to adapt it in a linear fashion, in a dot for dot, point for point fashion to our language. It's not going to be a direct translation. Spanish is not a translation of English. Spanish is a whole nother language. And once you accept it as that and categorize it and separate it in your mind like that, then you can wrap your head around it. Okay, then it'll start making sense to you. But I'm not going to drill it too hard today. I want you to just get those vowel sounds in your head and realize the importance of it, because those 5 letters, those 5 simple letters, A, E, O, U, are definitely extremely important in the Spanish language. So practice those. Don't underestimate it. Don't undermine them. And I'm going to be testing you later on to make sure you've been practicing, okay? Okay. So, hey, you're doing well. You're watching this video, so that means you must want to progress. And you've been following the videos, and make sure you watch the other videos, because I don't put out junk. Everything I do, I put out to help you to learn Spanish faster and easier than I did. I'm out here with boots on the ground, experiencing, talking with the natives all the time, so I know what the deal is, okay? So people are starting to come into the park. I'm about to bounce. So until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.